Hi everyone, and welcome to the 45th day of this series of 50 days sprint to the CAT exam. I am sorry that I could not make a video yesterday for day 46, and the reason is because I had to solve an RC yesterday and also make a video on the same. And I believe that even solving an RC is not a cup of tea, and making a video on top of that was very difficult. So I'm sorry that I could not upload a video yesterday, but today we are going to talk about a topic that's really close to my heart, and that's something that I recently experienced and wish to share with all of you in the hope that if someone is going through a similar situation like I was a few days ago, this might be of help to you. So, to give you a background, a few days ago I was in a situation wherein I did not feel very happy, wherein I did not feel very comfortable with whatever was going on with my life. And there was a sense of rejection, there was a sense of dissatisfaction in my life throughout the day, I would say. And I don't know what happened in the evening. I was just walking on terrace listening to a podcast by Jay Shetty, and he's a very influential figure. I really like listening to his podcast on purpose on Spotify, and I felt so peaceful after he said that you should practice the law of gratitude. Now, gratitude is something that's been asked by a lot of people to practice on a daily basis, but not a lot of people are actually able to. And I do understand why, because sometimes it just feels uncomfortable to thank the nature or the universe for the things that you are happy for or grateful for. But today, I would like you to go through the same experience, if especially if you are in a condition wherein you are not able to score very well, or you are feeling this entire preparation journey has been pointless, or you feel like giving up. If you are in either of these three scenarios, then I will surely recommend you to practice this law of gratitude. So, the law of gratitude basically says that you have to thank the nature or universe for putting you into situations or giving you things that you probably think are very small and sometimes go unnoticed as well. So, for example, let's say you consider this CAT preparation journey to be a negative energy and you don't feel like anything's been positive about it. Think about it again and thank the universe for what it has brought in you as a change. It could be simpler things like building up concentration levels, or building up your vocabulary, or being able to sit for 2 hours or 3 hours, or reading books, or it could be just preparing for a competitive exam like CAT, which means building up the courage to face competition. Sometimes, when we focus so much on the results, we are not able to recognize the positive things that are happening with us. And regarding this, I am able to recall an incident from my own life that had such a significant impact on the journey that I am progressing on right now. A lot of you who have been in touch with the channel since the very beginning might be aware that I have always wanted to get into an undergraduate college called SRCC, and I was not able to do that. I got into Kirodimal College after my 12th boards, and I missed the dream college that I wanted to get into by just 3 marks. The feeling of not making it to the school that I wanted to left me rejected, left me so vulnerable that I can't even express what an impact it has had on my life and what have I faced in my life because of going through that tragedy, I would say, because it was a personal tragedy for me. Even though a lot of people would not call it a failure, the way it left me shattered still has its bits and pieces inside me, breaking me every single day. So, when something like that happens with you, would you call something as negative as that as a positive thing, or would you be grateful for that? Today, if I have to thank the universe for something that has happened in my life, which has brought the biggest change in my life, it's that point in life. It's that point when I could not make it to SRCC. I feel so grateful to the universe for not letting me get into SRCC, because it was that thought of not making it which kept me motivated throughout my preparation journey for the CAT exam. It was not getting into SRCC that landed me at IIM Ahmedabad. It was not getting into SRCC that when I made this channel and interacted with lots of students who had not made it to their dream colleges, I was able to connect. I was able to empathize and encourage them to tread on their path and to show that it's possible, that it's doable, that it's not the end of the journey. So, even though something negative might be going on in your life or something negative might have happened in your life, you still can be thankful for it, because it is going to act as a positive energy and channelize your life into a journey which is going to result in a positive outcome. You might not be able to see it right now, you might not be able to connect the dots right now, but still try being positive about it and try thanking the universe for letting you experience it. It's just a blessing in disguise that you might not be able to see right now. So if any of you is currently facing low mock scores, feels like giving up, or feels like I don't know what is the point of preparing even, just think back, look back at your journey and list out the things that have been positive in this journey. List out the things that you're grateful for. It has definitely made you as a better person. The entire preparation process has made you a better person, and you have to be thankful for it. You should be thankful for it. And if you feel thankful for it, you will start enjoying the process. You would not hate it as much. You would feel like continuing. You would not feel bad when you take the next mock. You would feel like it's just another mock, another way to improve yourself, just like you have been improving yourself in the past through this journey as well. So, guys, all I wanted to share through this day 45 video was to practice the law of gratitude today and think that this journey has been a blessing for you. Each and every single aspirant out of those 2 lakh people who prepare for the CAT exam goes through a positive, beautiful, enriching journey, even though they might not feel the same way while they are going through it. So try thinking from this lens today, try changing your perspective, and you might be able to look at it this way. Hope this video brings about a change in the way you think about it. Let me know your feedback in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. I know you are going through a lot, but keep at it. You don't know how beautiful it's going to turn out to be.